So hi guys, welcome back. We've been looking at the elements of art and why they're important. And the elements of art are line, shape, form, space, value, texture, and color. Last class we looked at creating our own color wheel. Hue is another word for color. Value looks at the lightness and darkness of a color, but is not limited to a value scale, which we also did. Today we're going to be looking at tint, tone, and shade. When we look at the world around us, it's so beautiful because they have all these different vibrant shades and hues and colors. This is our artwork I did, and in order to replicate some of the shades and the hues that we see and the values we see in the world around us, we have to practice. So this assignment is going to help us out. Let's go. So these are the paints I used. I started off with my primary colors only. You are not using any other color. You're using your primary colors, and you're also using white and black. Remember, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. I chose yellow, so let's go. So the first block, you're just gonna put your primary color. So I'm putting my yellow in. Next, I am going to create a tint. So a tint of yellow means adding white to yellow. Then I'm going to put that in the area that says tint. Next, I'm going to create gray by mixing white and black. And that gray I'm going to use to mix with yellow and create a tone. I'm going to fill that in. Next, I'm going to create a shade. And a shade is created when we mix the color and black. So here I'm mixing in that black and that yellow, and I'm going to put in my shade. Nice. So now that we've completed those, we also need to make sure we know I've put in the primary color. I've put in yellow, and that's my primary color. And here I'm just showing you how I created my blocks that I'm going to paint in. You are doing 10 inches by 2 inches tall. So you're creating 2-inch by 2-inch boxes. I used a permanent marker in order to create my labels. And I'm just taking a felt tip marker and just darkening some areas. Then I took a white marker on top of that permanent marker slash I did. And let's move on to the secondary colors. So your secondary colors are violet or purple, orange, and green. I chose green. So I'm taking my blue and my yellow and I'm mixing some green. Put that in the hue section. Next, I'm going to mix some white, and you know, I really like to be out of frame. You know, I just really enjoy being out of frame. Sorry about that. And I mixed the white with the green, so I created a tint of green. Next, I created a tone of that same green by adding gray to that green. And lastly, I'm going to do the shade. So I'm mixing black and green to create my shade. Let's look at the tertiary colors because we're doing those next. So remember, those are yellow green, yellow orange, etc. I chose red orange, so that would be yellow plus red plus red. So it's more red than yellow. And this is the finished product. I hope you all are excited. So let's go. Let's get to work. Let's have some fun. Bye for now.